ha 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 ha. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. So I just got done doing 2 shorts on my channel of this tiny waterfall, and man, I am really pleased with the way my little project turned out. So I went back and got the GoPro so I could do a little bit better video of this, so wanted everyone to get a really good view of it. So let's go check out my new water feature. And that's that big chunk of rock I was telling everyone about when I was down here digging the other day. I'm still going to get some more dirt out of that. And then there's my new waterfall. So yeah, I'm real pleased with the way this turned out. I still plan on digging here eventually and getting some more of this dirt out and exposing more of this rock. Unfortunately, we don't have running water down through here year round, but we got 3.5 inches of rain last night, and I mean, it really made this little dry stream overflow. Definitely a cool place to come hang out. Okay, well, I hope everyone enjoyed this video, and I hope everybody enjoyed the sound of the water running through here. It is a really peaceful place on our property. Everyone be safe, be strong, and be sure to get out and enjoy nature whenever you get a chance to. Oh, and be sure to hit that subscribe button too and help this channel keep growing. Thanks, everyone.